Express wash, quick and efficient cleaning explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, express wash. It's a term you might encounter in various day-to-day situations, especially when it comes to laundry or car services. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. When we say express in English, we're referring to something that is designed to be quick and efficient. It's often used to describe services that are faster than the standard options. For example, an express train makes fewer stops to reach its destination more quickly than a regular train would. Moving on to wash. This word is a verb that means to clean something, typically with water and often some kind of soap or detergent. As a noun, it refers to the act of washing or the clothes or items being washed. For instance, you might have a car wash or a laundry wash. Combining these two words, express wash, specifically refers to a fast cleaning service. In a laundry context, it means getting your clothes cleaned in a shorter amount of time than a standard wash cycle would take. Similarly, at a car wash, an express wash is a quick rinse and clean of your vehicle. Not as thorough as a full-service wash but done in less time. You might choose an express wash when you're short on time but need cleaning done quickly. It's important to remember, though, that because it's faster, an express wash might not be as thorough as a regular wash. It's all about finding the right balance between time and cleanliness for your needs. We hope this explanation helps you understand what express wash means and when to use it. Remember, it's all about speed and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful phrases and expressions in our next video. Happy learning and stay fresh with your English.